Welcome to Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Kitchen. I'm Jessie and we're posting 7 days of salads. I'm making spicy cucumber salad. I found this salad recipe and I had to try it out. My husband loves pickles and this is very similar to the recipe that we use for refrigerator pickles and I knew that he would love it. I started out with 4 cucumbers, a red onion, elephant garlic, and regular garlic. I wanted the cucumbers peeled for a softer texture. I sliced them up as thin as I could and I put them in a large bowl and added crushed garlic. I sliced about a quarter of the red onion in thin slices and added that to the cucumbers along with chopped up elephant garlic. Then added 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of red chili flakes, and a generous amount of salt and pepper. I sprinkled the cucumbers with white wine vinegar, rice vinegar, or your favorite balsamic would also work. I wanted a lighter vinegar that didn't complete with the flavor of the chili flakes. Stir this all together and the salad is ready. This is great to serve right away or let it sit in the refrigerator overnight for even more rich flavor. The entire cost of the ingredients was $18.64, with the sesame seeds being the most expensive, but I've got a lot of leftovers for other recipes. This is a bright, spicy, delicious blend of flavors, and according to my husband, this salad is good with any dish, any meal. He loved it. Check the playlist in the description box for all the salad recipes from us and the other channels participating. Thanks for watching. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with your friends and family. We're always creating great new recipes at Catalina Treats Gluten-Free Kitchen.